This video just explains everything that's come within your starter pack and how to use it. When you first commission your hot tub, you will need to add chlorine granules directly to the water to raise the level to 20 parts per million to shock the tub. Depending on the volume of water in your tub, the instructions on the back will tell you how many grams of granules you need to add. Every day when you use your tub, you will need to test the water using the test strips provided in your kit. You will need to test the water and hold the strip against the pot to determine the action you need to take. The chlorine in this tub, you can see, is showing as SPA OK on the top square. Should it have been too low down this end, then you could add more chlorine granules, a teaspoon at a time. If your chlorine is too high, the only way to reduce that is to either dilute the water or to use the tub. You will see from here that the alkalinity, so the green square at the bottom, is somewhere in between low and okay. I would say this was okay. If you felt it was a little too low, then you just need to add some alkalinity increaser. Again, if it was too high, you would add alkalinity reducer. The pH in this tub is spot on. So you can see it's a nice orange colour right in the middle. Should it have been too low, down in the yellows, or should it have been too high, up in the pinks, you would need to add pH minus or pH plus to adjust it. So for example, if it was too low, you would add pH plus, and if it was too high, you would add pH minus. You use no foam to remove any foam buildup on the surface of your tub. This is normally from detergents and fabric softener in swimming costumes. You just add it one capful at a time directly to the water, or we would recommend putting some into a spray bottle, and then you can spray the no foam directly onto the surface of the foam and it will remove it completely. Use the non-chlorine shock treatment once a week directly into the water. This will help with cloudiness and water clarity. Depending on the literage of your tub will depend on how much you use. If you need any help with that, just ask us. It is important that every time you drain down the tub, which will depend on how you've managed to maintain the water levels, whether it's 3 monthly, 6 monthly, or more frequently, that you use a flush through the system. This needs to be poured directly into the water, make sure the filter is removed, and run all the pumps. It needs to run through half an hour to an hour, and that will remove any biofilm buildup in the pipes that is where bacteria may hide.